It is over for another Tesla competitor. Ghost Autonomy is ghosting the market. You can still reach out to them. They have an email on their website, but officially they have just shut down worldwide operations. Expect a lot more companies to follow. Remember this chart with Tesla at the bottom? Let me fix it real quick. Here we go. Tesla is definitely at the top. This company is likely to fall next. Canoo spent twice its annual revenue on CEO's private jets last year, and their stock just dropped about 30% earlier. Elon Musk shared some good news with us. Tesla stock investors, production rate and fully considered cost are the challenges for the Megapack, but demand for stationary batteries is super high. I think Tesla might end up doing more total joules in stationary than mobile long term. That post was in response to Tesla has reduced Megapack pricing by $10,000. I think price cuts for vehicles compared to the Megapack business, these are quite different because with vehicles, I think people make emotional decisions often when we choose which vehicle to buy, but with Megapacks, it's very clear which one you should buy. You just make a spreadsheet and you compare all the specs. Tesla's the best, let's go. Car buyers don't really do that. They don't make spreadsheets about, oh, how I feel about this car versus this car. At least not the absolute majority of the people. Well, that's quite a headline from Electric. Elon Musk's xAI poaches another engineer from Tesla in a clear conflict of interest. This is about Tesla's computer vision chief Ethan Knight leaving Tesla and joining xAI. We have some new information since I last covered it yesterday. Ethan is very talented, but vision chief would be overstating things. There are over 200 excellent engineers in the Tesla AI autonomy team. Tesla's pace of progress with autonomy is accelerating. The talent war for AI is the craziest talent war I've ever seen, says Elon Musk. Although whoever is running the auto wiper department hasn't done a great job so far. Also, Elon states that Ethan was going to join OpenAI, so it was either xAI or them. Ethan is the fourth Tesla engineer who has moved from Tesla to xAI. I really want to know what's going on with Elon's compensation package. I don't know how important Ethan is to Tesla, but if he is important and if Elon did have the compensation package already, maybe he would have made some sort of an effort to keep him at Tesla instead of at xAI. Electric writes, a few years prior, Elon Musk had left OpenAI officially over a conflict of interest with Tesla over the automaker's own AI effort. It's not clear how starting his own AI startup would be different. Unsurprisingly, it didn't take long for conflicts of interest to pop up. And it really doesn't help how the whole situation looks, keeping in mind that Elon very recently asked for 25% of voting control over Tesla because of his fear that some entity could take over the company to control its AI projects, and therefore Elon does not want to build future AI projects at Tesla. Elon said, I am uncomfortable growing Tesla to be a leader in AI and robotics without having 25% voting control. So while I certainly do not take this as good news, and I assume that Elon is telling the truth, it would be nice, however, for the board to indeed verify that there was an offer from OpenAI to recruit Ethan Knight. But I think for us Tesla stock investors, it's important to remember that Andre left, and despite that, FSD is making more progress and faster progress than ever before. And I became a Tesla stock investor in early 2019, and I remember times when we had multiple fairly high-level executive departures, and that was made out to be a massive deal, and in the long term it turned out to be absolutely nothing. Look right here. I googled 2019 list of executives who left Tesla, and this is for the period of 2018 and 2019. And this list goes on for a long time. And look right here, this was not looking good. And I'm not kidding about the number of these lines. Check this out. It just keeps on going forever and ever, and it just doesn't end. Tesla is a huge company. It would be crazy to expect no one to leave. Omar says engineers are able to move between Tesla, SpaceX, etc. if they like. Is anyone seriously trying to claim that Tesla AI team isn't getting the job done? The first thing this story gets wrong is thinking that the progress of FSD is limited by engineers. Are we just going to keep them around for no reason? I think better engineers certainly help the progress. And we're getting some clarification here. When can we finally vote on your new compensation package, Elon? You deserve it even more. Elon says the support is super appreciated, so Elon definitely wants to see that compensation package. He continues, I obviously don't need the money personally, but I'm concerned about not having voting power to influence Tesla to do the right thing. And not only is compensation important for Elon also said that Tesla is increasing compensation for their AI engineering team to try and prevent other companies from successfully poaching Tesla's employees with massive offers, because a few times they have been successful. Here's some pretty big news. Tesla has reportedly finally begun production of right-hand drive cars that you can build in, wait for it, for export to India later this year. Reuters writes that India is the third largest car market in the world. Reuters continues, a team from Tesla is expected to visit India later this month to look at sites for a local car manufacturing plant that would require an investment of about $2 billion. Said to people who declined to be named because the plans are not public yet. We are not getting a precise date other than by the end of the year, so I would expect something maybe in November, December. Ideally, though, I would like to see that this summer.